Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ivy Byes McKenzie, and with my group, we'll be going over intellectual properties protection process regarding the MAP cloud backup and ransomware protection system. It'll be Andrea, Jalissa, and Keisha that will be presenting with me. These links are the YouTube links regarding this video that you'll be able to access. First things first, we'll be going over the problem. So the problem will be data loss from ransomware attacks, system failures, which can lead to permanent data loss, and lack of secure data backup systems, which increases risk. The next thing is our proposed solution. Cloud backup ransom protection system, automatic secure file backups, uses of encryption and version control, and focusing on protecting intellectual property behind the system.
Our intellectual property overview. Our intellectual property IP refers to creations of the mind, includes inventions, software, design, and branding. Common types is patent, copyright, trademark, trade secret. And next will be provides legal protection for ownership and innovation, preventing unauthorized usage. Types of intellectual property. Patent, it protects system algorithms, security methods, and processes. Then you have your copyright. It protects software code and outputs. Your trademark protects product name and branding. Trade secret protects encryption methods and detects algorithms. Here is our process map protecting intellectual property. One, identify business problem. Two, define product concept. Three, conduct market and IP research. Four, identify IP assets. Five, classify IP types. Six, document system design. Seven, secure internal IP controls. And under seven, we do have a sub-process, internal IP protection controls. It requires NDAs, limit system access, store data securely, track version history, document ownership. Then we have eight, file patent application, nine, register copyright, 10, register trademark, 11, implement IT security measures, and 12, monitor and enforce IP rights.
Then we'll go over the process overview, identification and preparation. First thing will be identify. Identify the business problem, and then you'll define the product concept. And then we'll do conduct a market and IP research, and then identify the intellectual property assets, and then classify intellectual property types, and then document the system design that we use. And then we'll also do protection and enforcement, which will implement secure internal IP controls, file the patent application, register copyright, and then register trademark and implement IT security measures. We'll also monitor and enforce IP rights.
Next, we have the sub-process, IT security and internal IP protection. One, user authentication. Two, data encryption. Three, access control systems. And four is secure storage and monitoring. Then we have inputs and outputs. Inputs consist of business, legal requirements, source code, system designs, market IP research, branding assets. Outputs consist of patent filings, copyright registrations, trademark protections, secured systems, legal ownership, and secured intellectual property.
For support teams like developers, IT, and legal, they stay connected through meetings, share tools, and documentation, such as weekly meetings. On the management side, communication is more high-level focused, focusing on budgets, risks, and overall value. And on the IT side, security is key. This includes encryption to protect data, access control, and authentication to limit as to who can access things, monitoring system to catch threats. Okay. And then lastly, protecting intellectual property is important because it supports innovation and prevents misuse. It requires a mix of legal, technical, and organizational efforts. Communication, security, and policies all work together. It creates a strong system to protect valuable information.